area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been...
Is augmented, modified, because an A chord, or C chord, or D chord consists of, let's say hypothetically, an A chord or a C chord, hypothetically, let's say, consists of 550 hertz or 240 hertz.
There's greens in there.
Technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.
Emotional fluctuation. You have technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.